You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Renata, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a review of the Esme top by Jennifer Lauren Handmade. I have it back there. I'm not going to bring it closer just because I think it clashes really crazy and hard with this dress that I'm wearing. This beautiful dress is my pride and joy from 2021. I really love this dress. I wore it to the Magnolia Silo. It is from Mimi G. I did it in a collaboration with Talisha of Creativity by T. For that collaboration I used a different fabric, but this one I love so much. It's from Dufault. It's just beautiful. If you're wondering what pattern it is the, well, I want to say the actual number for it, but I bought this from Joann's, and it had this weird numbering on it, if you can notice there. But the official number, I'll just pop it up on the screen for y'all. So let's talk about that t-shirt back there. That is the Esme top. If you guys are interested, please meet me in the next section. I'm going to grab the exact wording of Jennifer Lauren's Handmade website so you guys know exactly what the description is. Esme sports a gentle 50s inspired bat wing sleeve and your choice of a shawl collar or V neckline. A quick and satisfying make, Esme is the perfect palette cleanser between more involved projects. And I have to say that I agree wholeheartedly. That is exactly the reason why I wanted to make this project for the month of January, because if you guys remember, I just came off the little red dress project and my red dress was so involved and just overwhelming, and then I also joined the Sew Your View for December, and that was slightly involving as well. It was just a lot. So having something so sumptuous and easy that just makes you feel relaxed and still like you're doing something, you're working, but it's not too much on the brains. Perfect. I agree with this. So I did the V-neck version and it was such a super quick make. I love the instruction. Everything was perfection. The fit was amazing. I love how this turned out. I love how it came together. Everything worked so well, and I'm blown away because this is my second project for Jennifer's pattern and I really like it. Now if you are more of a curvy individual, they also have this come in curvy option plus multiple bust cups. So the options of fabric are medium knit fabric with a good stretch as well as 40% recovery. That's what you're looking for, something that has amazing stretch, but when it's relaxed and it comes back to the actual shape it was in previously. And I love knits like that. If you're wondering what size I sewed, I did a medium because that works best for me, and I did not do any adjusting. I didn't make any changes, and it's wonderful. I hope that when you see the 360 that you do consider trying this project because it is such a swift make. Like, it's a no-brainer. You can totally whip this out in production style in all different colors, and then you have a really nice palette and a simple design that is classic that won't be outdated and go the mile for you in your wardrobe. And you can layer it, you can wear jackets, you can wear pinafores, you can do a lot with this. So meet me in the 360, see how it looks on the human form, and I will close out in the next section.
Watch out, they said I won't see you coming. Blindside for sure, one blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant, open, you'll come our direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. Close now, could I be falling for you? Jaws on the floor, you got that something I can't explain. And I'm hesitant, open, you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay.
There you have it. What do you think of my new Esme? Doesn't it look just fantastic? It is the perfect top to have a classic look. It's so relaxed and comfortable. That slight bat wing effect really gives you a little motion in your movement, so you're not too restricted, and it just looks very well put together. I love this, and I think that it would look great in a solid as well. If you guys would like me to try the other version, which is the shawl color, please leave a comment down below so that I know, and then I can go on a fabric hunt. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love for you to consider subscribing to the channel and turning that notification bell on. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on another upload. Bye bye.
Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back.